page 113. 3. Listening and speaking. Responsible tourism. C. Listen again. Answer the questions.
Welcome to the first of our evening presentations. We hope you are enjoying the beautiful surroundings of Eco Lodge and that you like your accommodations. The presentation this evening is about responsible tourism. People often ask me what they should do to be a responsible tourist. Well, you've already made a good start because you chose our company, and we're an environmentally responsible company. It's important to choose a tour company that doesn't have a negative impact on the environment. Also, by staying here, you are helping the local community, which is dependent on tourism. You should choose a place to stay that hires only local people. Every member of staff that we employ lives locally. But how else can you be a responsible tourist while you're here? One of the first things you can do is to save water. Tourism puts a huge pressure on water supplies. Take short showers. Save electricity too. Otherwise, you might have to use the candles. Another thing you can do is visit the local markets. And please try to buy some local handicrafts. This helps in 2 ways. First, it's employment for local people. And second, it preserves local crafts and traditions. And when you buy goods, pay a fair price. Remember, if you bargain to get something cheaper, the dollar you save may be the dollar that feeds a family for a day. One very important thing is that we need to protect endangered plants or animals. So please, 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 don't buy coral. It destroys these beautiful reefs if people make souvenirs out of the coral. Last year, one of our guests bought a coral lamp, which she'd found in a store. But when I gave her an understanding of how these kinds of souvenirs destroy the reefs, she was horrified. She said she would take it back the next day. That's our job, to give you an awareness of your impact here. Another way to have a positive effect on the community is to respect the local culture. Please ask before you take photos, and try to speak a few words of the language. Also, please visit the local wildlife preserves. The revenues from the entrance fees pay for the protection of endangered species. As you can see, you can really help preserve this beautiful place. Please take our pamphlet on responsible tourism. It's made with recycled paper.